The Sony FDR X3000 action cam is all you need to capture sensational video footage with the kind of stability that's never been seen before, and all in glorious 4K detail. This is the first action cam to feature Sony's own balanced optical steady shot technology, allowing you to capture incredibly stable footage even when shooting in 4K quality. With more effectiveness against high-amplitude camera shake from activities such as running or riding on a bike, you can capture virtually vibration-free footage in any situation. Plus, with a smaller body than previous 4K action cam models, you'll hardly even notice it's there. The quality of your footage is improved yet further thanks to the new Exmor-R image sensor, which has been designed and developed specifically with 4K video in mind. With the same pixel size as the award-winning AX53 Handycam camcorder, you can be confident of maximum image quality in all light conditions. There's also a new Zeiss Tessar lens, which not only complements the image sensor, but has approximately half the peripheral distortion for a more natural image. The brand new Live View remote is around 30% smaller than its predecessor and therefore much more flexible to use when you're using the action cam while out and about. Because the screen isn't built into the back of the camera itself, it's easy to check the framing of what you're shooting, no matter how the camera is mounted. Whether you're out on your bike, skateboarding in the park, or simply roaming the city, the new Live View remote is guaranteed to make it easier to get the results you're after. You even get a watch attachment and tripod adapter included, so you're ready to use the Live View remote straight out of the box. With all of this and more, the X3000 action cam has all of the tools you need for incredible on-the-move footage, no matter the scenario.
Okay, Garmin, start recording.
Presenting the E4K action camera. The class-leading E4K action camera features a Sony IMX377 image sensor which provides excellent image quality so you can capture 4K at 30 frames per second for up to 2 hours. That means you're able to keep capturing life's adventures for longer. The 155-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface. So previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is smooth and effortless. Electronic image stabilization steadies the action, and live streaming lets you share your world. You can even capture 12 megapixel still images and so much more. The E4K action camera from the new leader in action cameras.
Hero 6 is a whole new game, and it's a whole new GoPro.
The engine behind Hero 6 is what we call GP1. Hero 6 is going to give you double the performance with 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video. You're going to get this really buttery smooth slow motion that doesn't drop a frame.
Every aspect of the shot is that much more brilliant, that much more lifelike. And when you combine it with quick stories, the experience is unlike anything before. Quick stories is a way to go from capturing a great experience to the story that you can share. Your GoPro will automatically copy any new photos and videos over to your phone, where the GoPro app will edit that into a video for you.
Hero 6 is our smartest camera yet. We have algorithms for faces and audio, accelerometers, GPS, and we're able to take that data and pull them into your edit so we can create the most compelling story for you.
When you're able to capture something and slow it down, it really allows you to appreciate the moment. What was the water doing? What were you doing? Life happens fast, and using a GoPro helps you capture your life, slow it down, and see it in a whole new way. Hero 6's stabilization is far beyond anything we've ever accomplished at GoPro. Hero 6 can analyze your footage and then adjust the stabilization to take out any of the shake, take out the roll, and really make it look like your GoPro was mounted on a stabilizer. People are using their GoPros to film everything, and you can't always get close to the action. And now with Hero 6 and the built-in touch zoom capability, you can.
With Hero 6, you're getting more voice commands. You're going to get this hands-free, fluid experience.
GoPro, turn on.
Hero 6 is going to give you the richest, biggest, best image yet. Those colors are going to be brighter. The moments are going to feel more authentic, more lively, more evocative, just as you remembered them.
Live your life and share your life through amazing video. Nothing is like Hero 6.